All right, so some of these won't have pictures, some of them will. All right, I would say that probably over half have a picture already. If it doesn't have a picture, we just pretty much automatically draw a right triangle. Any right triangle, it doesn't really matter. Okay, we put a right angle in there. It says from a point on the ground, 1/2 mile from the base of a historic monument, the angle of elevation is 11.87. All right, so remember, angle of elevation, angle of depression, horizontal up. And it's always going to be in that corner. Even if it says angle of depression, it still goes in that corner because they will always be the same. Angle of elevation, angle of depression. All right, will always be the same. It says from a point on the ground, 1/2 mile from the base of the historic cliff. All right, so the base of the cliff means the bottom, so it would be right here. All right, base of the cliff. The monument has to be out here then, so that's 0.5 miles. It says, what is the height of the monument? All right, what is the height of the monument? So the monument is going to be this tall. So I want to know how tall that is. Okay, now go about this. I'm going to ignore the part that probably this is what would happen, but I'm going to label this H, hypotenuse across from the right angle, O across from the angle we're using, and A down here. All right, I want to know O. I know A, so I'm circling the wrong one. I'm going to use tangent. So it's tangent angle equals fraction. Angle is 11.87. A adjacent goes on the bottom is 0.5, X on top. Okay, I take my calculator. Tangent 11.87, 0.2101, 0.2101, and then I cross multiply, and I get X equals this times 0.5, 0.105 with some more stuff. Okay, and then I look at this and I'm like, wait, that answer's not there. Okay, and the issue is this right here says 1/2 mile. This says nearest foot. All right, on your reference sheet, and this doesn't happen very often. All right, so this probably isn't the best first problem for this review. It says 1 mile is 5,280 feet. All right, so what's a 1/2 mile? This is not the only way to do it, but this is the easiest way to explain it. So a 1/2 mile is 0.5 times 5,280, 2640. Whoops, not the right thing. 2640 equals X. All right, so that's a 1/2 mile. All right, so I could take that and put it right in there. Okay, or I can just convert this. So 1 over 5,280 equals 0.105 blah, blah, blah times X. And so what I end up doing is I go back here, I grab that decimal times 5,280, and I get 554.89, 554.89, blah, blah, blah. It says nearest foot, 555 right there. All right, 555 rounded to the nearest foot. Okay, it is not common to have to change from miles to feet. It happens very, very rarely, so I would not be stressed out about it.